In this video, I'll detail how to change watch face on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and you want to change your Apple Watch face from the default or whatever it is to your preferred Apple watch face, so then this video is going to walk you through. The easiest way you can do this is to change the Apple Watch face or clock face on the Apple Watch itself. Otherwise, you need to resort to using the watch app on your iPhone. So here, I'm going to basically show you how you can easily change clock face or Apple Watch face on the Apple Watch itself. So if I don't know this video, you found this level informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to change your clock face or watch face on Apple Watch, all you just need to do is press and hold the watch face like this. Then once you press and hold this, you should feel the haptics, like in form of vibration. Then I just use the two crown to rotate. Then if you scroll down, then you should see all your added watch face or clock face. And now to choose a new clock face, you just need to scroll up once you get to new, then tap new. Once you tap new, you should see all new watch faces available. This is new watch faces. If you click on this, then you have access to all the watch faces that are currently new for your Apple Watch. Then scroll down again to look for other watch faces you can use. Active, autonomy. Then just keep scrolling. So just keep scrolling until you get to your preferred Apple Watch face you want to set. So let's say you want to set the modular Apple Watch face as your preferred Apple Watch face. Then click on it. Then once you click on it, you can also scroll up like this to see more information about the Apple Watch face. Then to set it, just click on Add Face. Then once you click on Add Face, you're going to see how the Apple Watch face is going to look like. If you scroll up like this, then you should see it in different color. Then to set this as your new Apple Watch face, all you just need to do is press the two crown once, then press it again. Then that is it. The new Apple Watch face replaces the existing Apple Watch face on your Apple Watch. So that is how you can easily change Apple Watch face on your Apple Watch. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.